Hey my peeps, let's make some guacamole and tortilla chips to go on our Cinco de Mayo tier tray. So I got this cute little hot pepper tray from Dollar Tree, and then I cut out a piece of spare foam that I had laying around into the shape of that so I could put that in there instead of filling it up with clay, because that would just waste our clay, which is not necessary. Then I took the hot glue gun and just went around the edge so that it won't move or anything. Make sure to grab those glue webs. But anyways, I took some green clay and I sprayed water on it just to get the clay to get really soft and flexible, and just like basically it's, you can spread it around and manipulate it the way you want it to. Okay, so then you're just going to take the clay and push it on top of that foam that's in the middle of your little tray, and just press it in. Make sure you get it inside. Make sure you get it to the edge, like all the way to the edge, because when it starts drying, it's going to pull apart and you don't want that. So but what I did here was I try to make it look like purple onions and tomatoes. Okay, so I just took a piece of purple and a piece of white and I laid it on top of each other, let it dry, and then I cut it out to resemble purple onions. Okay, then I took some red clay, let that dry overnight, and just cut chunks of it the next day. So now it's not gonna look like guac. It's just to simulate the look of guac so our tier trays could look cute. Now this is just a basic way to do it. You could make it the way you want. You could fancy it up if you want it to have more texture, if you want it to have more lumps, or whatever you want. However you want to do it, you can do that. I'm just giving you the idea, and you just jazz it up the way you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the tortilla chips. So these tortilla chips, I use cookie dough clay, and then I added black sand to it to give it those specks, like tortilla chips and tacos have those little specks. So just blend it into your clay, and it'll look like little tortilla chips. So I just got a round cookie cutter, and then I'm gonna cut this in half, and then I'm gonna cut those halves into thirds. Okay, and that's how we're gonna get our tortilla chips. Now you could take the chips, and you're gonna need to let them dry overnight first of all, but before that you could just like bend them up a little bit if you want. They don't have to be straight flat. You could bend them and make them look a little bit more like tortilla chips. So I took a little piece of green and I added a piece of tomato and a piece of green onion, and I just put it on the tip like if you dipped it into the guac. And that's it. That's our guacamole and tortilla chips to go on our tier tray. So cute. There you go. See how cute that looks? Next to your tacos, your churros, and your cookies. Alright guys, I hope you like it and I hope you make one. Talk to you soon. Bye.